Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we have a broken forward and reverse switch right here, and we got to replace it. Very easy, this is how you do it. The first step is we're going to have to remove this back panel. Now, in order to remove the back panel, we have to remove the knob from the squeegee lowering handle. Just like that. Next step, we're going to remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws holding the back panel to the machine. Next is the tricky step. What you want to do is take the handle, push it down slightly, and pull the back panel off. Now that we have the back exposed, we can go ahead and remove the wires from the switch. Just take a pair of needle nose pliers and pop them off. Just like that. Next, what we want to do is take these clamps, push them down, and feed the switch back through the front. Just like that. Now, get your new switch, reinstall, just reverse your steps. Put it back in through the front here, clip it into place, and replace the wires. Just like that. We need to reattach the back panel to the machine. Now, what you want to do is make sure that all your wires are not in the way of where your screw holes are going to go. Line up the handle, push it down a little bit. There we go. And now you can free float it just like that. Get the top 2 screws started. This way you're not fighting it to line it up at the bottom if need be. Now take a larger Phillips, and we're going to tighten all these screws back down. Just like that. Last but not least, go ahead and take your squeegee knob and tighten it back down onto the lever. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.